I hope I got any Easter candy this year. There's no candy in my basket. I think the Easter Bunny must have made a mistake. No, this was not a mistake. You were behaving badly, so you don't deserve any Easter candy. What are we eating on Easter dinner? We are eating lamb, scalloped potatoes, and spinach. You should try it. Ew, that tastes like shit. Billy Chris Spunky Gal, you do not use that language at the dinner table. That is very disrespectful. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. It was an accident. Nope, you're not sorry, and you actually swore at the dinner table on purpose. Using swear words is not an accident. You're grounded until summer. Go upstairs to bed.